Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So I'm back with another hair video. This time is going to be all about these passion twists. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look, as well as click the link down below if you want to get into this makeup look, because baby, it looks so good. So again, I will be letting y'all know all about these passion twists. I had a few problems here and there, just letting you know what's up and what products I like to use to achieve this look. So just keep on watching if you would like to know all about the twist. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that you need to get started on these passion twists. I've watched numerous of videos, so I'm just trying to put together what this person did, what that person did, and then what I think. So I washed and conditioned my hair with Miss Jessie's last night. Oh my god, I love Miss Jessie. That was my first time using it. It is bomb. I'm going to make sure I do a review on Miss Jessie's because my hair felt so good. It still feels good. So I washed and conditioned it last night, and then I put it in some plaits, and then this morning I just blow dried the rest of it. So this is me now. Go sister, I see you. Look at that body. Yes. So first off, this is the hair that you would need to do the passion twist, and this is by Freetress, and this is their water wave, and this is in the inch 22. Have it in the color 1. My beauty supply store only had 4, and guess what? Ty is going to make it work, honey. And then I also had some of this hair in my closet that a company sent to me a while back, and this is by Trendy Tress. So it's like the curl pattern is a lot looser than this one. So I said I was just going to mix them two together, and this is just me being ghetto, and plus my hair store didn't have more packs of the water waves, so I'm going to make it work with this. Okay, so that's the hair, but then you're also going to need rubber bands, because I'm doing the rubber band method to make it so much easier, because I don't want a braid going into a twist, and I don't have time to be twisting this way, then twisting that way, then twist. No, sis, we are going to use the rubber band method, and I always get a lot of questions about the rubber band in my previous videos. No, the rubber band is not going to break your hair off, or if you are worried about that, you can just take a pile of rubber bands and just squeeze some type of oil on it just to be on the safe side, if that's what you want to do. And another question is, no, you don't have to worry about the rubber bands popping and the braid coming out. If your rubber band pops, it's not going to go anywhere. You're still going to have your braid. You're going to be fine, sis. So I just wanted to get that out there really quick. I'm also going to need a crochet hook because I will be crocheting the hair into the rubber band. Some edge control, second touchdown edge tamer. They have coconut, shea butter, and they have black castor oil. And you will also need some type of moisturizer. I will be using my Handmade hair cream. It looks like this. Nice and creamy, because you want to make sure your style is protected. Click the link down below. So let's go ahead and get started. And yes, y'all, I still have my 2 locks that are going strong. I just love them. I love them. People always ask me, wow, why you got 2? Girl, because they cute to me. So let me go ahead and section my hair. Y'all, look at that growth. Like, seriously? Look at that growth. From this, bruh? Seriously? What? Alright, so I went ahead and parted my hair from ear to ear. So that's how I sectioned the front of my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to start in the back. Baby, let me get a little cream for the back of that neck. Okay guys, and here I'm taking the time out to show you guys how I part my hair. I know it may seem simple, but in a lot of my other braided videos, I get a lot of questions on how I part my hair. And this is how I part it. I have a mirror in the front of me as well as behind me to help me with my parting spaces, and then I just make it easy on myself by doing pre-made sections. That will make it so much easier. And a good tip when you parting your hair is to use a red tail comb with the metal tip. You're going to get like the best parts with that. If you're still struggling with your parts, what you do is just get some edge control and put it on your part, and then you can define it a little bit more and get it straight. So I have all of my pre-sections. Took me 8 minutes. So now I'm just going to go in and section my pre-sections. Okay, y'all, so these edge control have a lot of good ingredients into it. So the black castor oil has argan oil and tea tree oil. So I think I'm going to use that on the back of my neck. They smell like perfume. Some. Okay, so I'm going to start off in the back, and first thing I'm going to do is get some hair cream. Put that on my hair first. Yes, I put a little bit after I blow dried it, but I'm going to put a little bit per section just to make sure our hair stays moisturized throughout the style. And this hair butter is very lightweight, so it absorbs quickly, but it keeps your hair moisturized. Okay, I'm going to get some edge control. Put that around the perimeter of the part. Make sure it's on there good, but not too tight. I'm just going to twist this so I won't have a big fro all over my head. Okay, hair. Y'all see that link? Yes, hair. I want to get my hair straightened, but y'all, I'm scared. People in their horror stories and it didn't revert. I'm scared. I'm gonna do it though. One day. I'm just scared. Look at that. What? Y'all, get this hair cream. Get this hair cream. For real. Get your cream. So I'm going to go through this and repeat the same steps. Be back. Y'all, look at my hair. Look at this. It looks so healthy. I'm working my way up. Okay, so the back is complete. Now I'm in the front. I'm going to use this on my edges. Y'all, this is the ish. I'm going to do a separate review on this. I just ordered it. I seen her on Instagram. The only thing is that it dries really, really quickly, so you have to work really, really fast. But I'm going to use this like on my edges. Okay? And put that on my edges. And swoop that. And y'all, it is going to stay exactly like that. Like, it's not going to move. It's really some bomb goo. Like, seriously, it's gooey and it's bomb. All right, let me keep doing the rest of my head and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I have all of my twists. But look right here. Look how my hair was looking. The growth, baby. All right, so in each pack comes 16 pre-sectioned loops, and I will be using 2 per box. And then I also will be taking a little bit of this hair. So I'm going to start off with this one here, and you want to split the hair up so that you can stretch it. So just get like midway and pull it. Take the end, this is what I've been seeing a lot of girls do, and just pull it until you kind of get to a stopping point. It will stop you. So as you see here, this is stretched, and I'm going to do it again to another one. So I have my 2 pieces here, and I'm going to take a little bit of this other hair and add it to the hair. Get my crochet hook. You want to go up so that the hair would be divided this way instead of that way, and you won't see like that part. Pull that through, and you just want to pull through one side. Okay, and then when you have it in, just gonna be using this Xtreme wet line gel and just putting it on a twist, and then you just go ahead and twist it. And you don't have to worry about the gel drying out your hair because you moisturized it. It is a-okay. Take a little hair out. And when it gets too long, I'll just put it on the other side of my head, or if I'm in the back of my hair, I would just like bring it around my neck. So that way I'm not like this trying to twist my hair. So now we have a twist. Looks like this. Curly at the end. And then I just pulled out a little piece of hair here. Like that. And as you can see, it's nice and thick. And you just want to continue to do that for the rest of your head. Okay, so I have done 3, and already I've caught myself on some things that I need to share with you guys. Like when I twist the hair, this twist, I twist going back. But when I got to this twist, I tried to twist going back and it just unraveled. I wish I would have showed you guys what it looked like, so when I find another one, I'll show you. So I actually had to twist it the other way to see. So all of your twists may not go the same way. And this is what I'm talking about. I got all the way to the end and I thought I was twisting the correct way. But look. Look how it just flopped loose. Like, it's so loose. It's barely even a twist. So what that means is I need to twist the opposite way. This looks pretty good. Let's see. Yep, that's the way. So pay attention to that. It can be a little frustrating. Actually, it is frustrating when I have to retwist the whole thing. So now I'm just going to twist a little bit and let it go and see if it stays twisted, because you're going to know, because it's going to like be doing that little thing and not look like a rope. See here, it looks more like a rope like this. And that's what you want. So I'll go ahead and crochet it in. You want your crochet hook to go up. So see how it got like this part where it divides at? You'll rather go up and down than this way. Put this hair on the hook, push the latch up, and make sure you keep your hair separated for when you pull it through. And then we're going to pull it through. All right, and then your hair, you want to make sure you split 1/2 to one side of the crochet hair, the other side to the other side of the crochet hair. And then I go in with some gel and put that on my hair so that it won't stick out. So, and a lot of them I like to pull out a little hair, pin it so it's out of your way. And then you can just keep twisting. And when my hands aren't flowing as fast as I like them to, I add a little bit more gel and keep going down. And also another thing, when I get down to the end, I'm not twisting all the way down. I'm leaving about this much space, add some gel to it like this. And again, when you're putting in your crochet hook, you want to make sure you are going down from your face, and make sure you have a hold of the hair just pulling through one side, because a lot of times the hair kept trying to get tangled up. So you want to make sure you keep your hand on it and pulling it out at the same time. Alright guys, so I have one more braid and I've been working on it like 7.5 hours. It's taking way longer than what I thought, that's for sure. But I just wanted to point out, like, all of the videos were saying to pull it like this to stretch it. But this one here, I did not stretch it. I just still used 2 pieces and it looks good. It's so bouncy and just looks really good compared to, you know, like one that I did stretch out. I like it so much better without stretching the hair. Okay, y'all, I am finally done. Oh, oh, y'all, that's so pretty. Like, don't they look good? Let's look at my 2 little locks. Really cute. And look at my edges, y'all. That glue is bomb. And they're long. Y'all, look at my shirt. Really long on me. But look, they're really long. Okay guys, so I will be going ahead and wrap my hair up, and I'm using my bonnet I received from lilysilk.com. They have some really nice bonnets and pillowcases. Make sure you click the link down below to check them out. As you can see, it's made of really good high quality, and I love that it have a scrunchie in the back as well as a band around the front. And then I like to tie this around like on my edges. Y'all, this bonnet is the bomb. And also they sent me a silk pillowcase, which looks so good. I love how they love to put their name on it, letting everyone know this is Lily Silk, because it is bomb. I wear it all the time, that's why it's dingy. But I just been wearing it and it's bomb. So I just go ahead and put my hair on. As you can see that this band right here, that protects your edges, y'all. It's just so bomb. It really comes into handy. And then I just take that string and wrap it around so to stay just like this. And then wake up the next morning, go ahead and take it off, and voila, like, it stays into place, you guys. This bonnet is bomb. Click the link down below. So this is what my hair is looking like, all done. And my makeup, please don't forget to click the link down below and watch this makeup look, because just really challenged myself and it paid off with this makeup look. I will tell you, they are some work. It took me about 8 hours to complete my full entire head. Like I said towards the end of the video, you do not have to stretch the hair. I wish I wouldn't have stretched my hair. The braids, the twist, the passion twist only lasts about, mine for real lasts like a good 7-8 days before they start to look like sis, come on. I don't know what kind of look you're going for, but the longer you keep them in, then the better look. But mine was just not cutting it. Style is really cute. I wouldn't pay to get it done. I would just do it myself, and that's only if you really feel like you got the time. But I'm pretty sure by me stretching the hair is what took up a lot of time, so I wouldn't mind trying this again and not stretching the hair and see how long I can get them to last. But all right, guys, so make sure you click all the links down below. Let me know what you think about this video. All right, guys, peace out.